living in the Philippines. We are cutting wood now because we will use it in our salakot. Yeah, there they are. That's what we are doing now after the harvesting of the kids are here. They are enjoying the breeze here. Oh no, Daisy, irit ka. Kumusta? Nakayamo ka sa bala. Kung mo gidala ang kuandet? Kanang spray? Na. Saan na nila? Ganitong liyo. Ganitong liyo. The kids are here. My sister and my granddaughters is here. Dako kayo pinuan ang kapong putik well. Ha? Dili lain taga Mindanao, taga Balinasan. Nagan ikuan diha o kanang naay. May lang kanaan. Durian. Kanang April. Aw, namunga naman ang kuan, passion fruit. Kita mo? Tanawagan di ba may bunga? Ang passion fruit. Kanao na ay balay-balayan. Passion fruit. Bunga. Very nice day today, guys. Look at the clouds. Very nice, guys. So this is our flowers now, guys. Day, nara diri dapit. That's the flowers of our house, guys. Nara diri dapit, oh. Ang bunga. Kita ni mo? Aw. That's it. That's our this is our what we call marigold. But they don't call it marigold. They call it something else. But Michael said it's the marigold, but different variety because it has a small flower. In New Zealand, marigold has a big flower, but this is like, yeah, it is really like marigold, but it is just a smaller version. So yeah, guys, and we will be planting more next time. If this will all be dried, the flowers will be dried, we will plant it all together, so it will become very nice. We will wait until it is rainy days, maybe by May, and this one will become dry already, I think. But this in front here, it's late in giving flowers. So yeah, maybe May or first week of June, we will be planting it all over our place and all over here at the side of the lake. So it will be very nice to look. Yeah. We will check the passion fruit. Oh, here we are. This is the passion fruit. There's big three fruits here. There. They are now big. Big, and some more flowers at the back. There's a new one here. There's another new one there, and so many flowers. So yeah, hopefully it will give some more plenty of fruits here. They are fruiting already there, so that's very good. Okay guys, yeah. Yeah, this is the passion fruit. And our opo, we only harvested one sack this morning. Yeah, but there's so many small one here. We have plenty small one here. There. This, 2, 4, 6, 7. In this area only they have 7 fruits. But there's some more there, but it's too hot to look around. Very, very hot. Here they are. And there's some more. Hopefully we can harvest maybe 3 sacks next Tuesday. Yeah, we harvested only really one sack this morning. No, not this morning, yesterday. So yeah, I will take picture here. Where is it? Yeah, this one here at the side. Not really plenty of. But I have already pictured this. I have already pictured this one last time. Me and Michael, we have already a picture on this one, but I wanted it have a picture again because this is almost dry. The flowers is almost dry. So you see? I will pick up all the dry here when it is not very hot already. Okay guys, bye for now. God bless. See you next video.